Hi, I'm the chef Eric, and today I'm going to show you how to make choux pastry. And for this recipe, we need some water, butter, flour, a little bit of salt and sugar, and some whole eggs. Okay, so I'll start to pour water. Okay, and I add the butter. The butter you need to cut in pieces, okay? Because you need to melt it quickly, okay? And a little bit of salt, like this. A little bit of sugar. Sugar, it will be nice for the taste and a little bit also for the color, okay? It's very important, everything is well melted, okay, in the water. I mean, if you put all pieces of butter, okay, it could take a long time, and maybe you're gonna lose water, so you lose the quantity of the water, okay, and the recipe is not the same. So now it's bring to the bowl, okay. I will add the flour straight away, okay. Then on the heat, I mix all together, okay. So on a small heat, I need to dry the paste, okay? Because I try to remove the maximum of water from the paste, because more water you extract and more eggs you can add. So for 1 liter of water, you will need 400 grams of butter, 600 grams of flour, so 1, 4, 6, and between 14 eggs to 16. Okay, so as you see, the consistency of the paste, up, it's nice, dry. Then I'm going to finish with the eggs, but off fire. So I add slowly, small quantity, okay, and I add to the paste. Don't put too much because the blend is not easy to do in the first time. You can also use a robot if you have it. Because when you make a small quantity, it's okay, but when you have to make a big quantity, you need maybe a little bit of energy. So for this quantity, I will need 4 eggs. You see, this it's not enough, okay, because it stick again to the item. Some nice bowl, okay, so this is okay. So now I can use a flexible spatula because the texture is soft now, and we like to use this one in pastry because you can get all the preparation, okay, you don't lose anything. Okay, so I'm going to show you now how to do the choux on a tray. Okay, so I will need this. I will use this one. Okay, you can use also like a douille, a small douille. Okay, not too big because when your paste is a little bit soft like this, if you use something too too large, it will not be easy. I'm going to put, we call this one in French, in poche. Poche. Okay, so I can do like this. It will be easy for me to fill. Okay, so now I get it, okay. Up. So I just close here, okay, and I turn, okay, to make sure I've got a small pressure, okay. I'm gonna use my right hand and stop to press up and do it like this. Make sure you keep enough space between all. I mean, for me it's three fingers, okay. And try also to keep the same size. And now with a fork and the rest of some whipped eggs, I just up, cross like this on the top. Make sure it doesn't stick to the fork. So it's nice to make nice size, okay. And it's also for the coloration. Okay, that's it. Now I'm going there for cooking, okay? So, for cooking, it's the best way for me, don't use any more ventilation. It's very, very bad for cooking puff pastry. So, for me, the best way, you turn on the maximum degrees of your oven, okay? For maybe 25 minutes. And when you've got the high temperature, you turn off your oven. You put the tray in the oven, okay, and you let the cooking, okay, like this, for 10 or maybe 15 minutes, okay, and you will get the form of the choux, okay. So when you will get the form of the choux, you turn on to 160 degrees, okay, to finish to cook the choux for about 20, for this side, about 20-25 minutes. Just need to check sometime if it's a little bit dry outside. It should be dry outside and soft inside, okay?